Now to the latest in Maryland. Today, the NTSB will be interviewing the two pilots of the cargo ship that crashed into Baltimore's Key Bridge after investigators last night called off recovery efforts to find the four missing construction workers presumed dead. Divers Wednesday recovered the bodies of two others. ABC's Perry Russum is in Baltimore with more.
Good morning. State police are describing a terrifying situation for the men who were killed. Two of them were found trapped in their truck underwater.
We're now moving from a recovery mode to a salvage operation.
Maryland State Police say the divers have to wait for the rubble to be cleared before they can find the missing. Yesterday, divers recovering the bodies of Alejandro Hernandez Fuentes and Dorleon Cabrera. Among the four still missing and presumed dead are Miguel Luna from El Salvador, a father of three, and Minor Suazo Sandoval from Honduras, a father of two. The NTSB says new information from a data recorder on Dolly shows at 1:26 in the morning, the pilot calls for tugboats. At 1:27, the pilot reports they lost all power and are getting close to the bridge. 1:29, sounds can be heard consistent with the collision. New video shows how crucial that communication was. Traffic cleared from the bridge just moments before Dolly comes into view. The Coast Guard says 56 cargo containers on board have hazardous materials.
Even though they're hazardous, we've determined that there really isn't any kind of threat to the public.
The Port of Baltimore is still closed, cutting off a major shipping hub.
This bridge was built in the 70s. The NTSB says the design is what they call fracture critical. So when one part of the bridge goes out, the rest of the bridge goes out. There are no redundancies. There are more than 17,000 bridges just like that in the U.S. Perry Russum, ABC News, Baltimore.